So, register is a communicative style in language, and there are 5 registers in English. There's frozen, the language which is not used very much, or is written down like a speech or a prayer. Then there's formal, which is used in professional life. Then we have consultative, used in service, and we have casual, used among the friends, intimate, used between lovers. So, obviously, you have to know how to use the register. And, if you make a mistake in the register, you can sometimes even lose a job. And if you use it correctly, then it can open a lot of doors for you. So I urge you to explore the registers and use them to make them work for you. Thank you.